Ever since I was young, I've always wanted to grow a business, and the process of it fascinated me. No, not really. I just like money.
I know you want this for life, taking pictures with all my eyes, but I can't have no wife.
Alright, so welcome back to another video. You know who I am. If you don't, then fuck off. So, as many of you may know, I've made videos for 2 years, and over those 2 years, you know, you try new things with editing softwares. I've changed editing softwares. Basically, what I'm trying to say here is I like to think I'm alright at editing. The reason I chose Fiverr is because I watched this Minecraft YouTuber. He's called Jack Sucks at Life. But he made a video on Fiverr where he would it'd blow this kazoo. I thought it was a joke. I didn't think anyone would buy it. Obviously, he has a load of subscribers, but I was like, dude, there's gonna be like 5 of them who buy it. He got 2 grand from blowing a fucking kazoo. That's crazy. So I'm like, that's it. I'm doing Fiverr. Shut up. Well, it's not a good idea. Piss off. Nah, 2 grand. There's no way I'm passing down on this. So that same day, I did a bit of research. I looked at a couple of YouTube videos of them talking about Fiverr, how to sell on it and stuff. I was like, all right, I can probably figure this out. Made an account. It was free to sign up. Still is, by the way. I don't know why the fuck I just said that. No shit. But yeah, I wanted this to be serious. God fuck. And that leads me to the next day when I went out and I tried to make my first gig.
Make.
Left, right, left, right. Yeah, right. It's time to start actually creating our first gig. It's all cool recording the video and that, but
Since I had my nose fully, yeah.
House full of kilos, sold pounds.
I think I should do, since Fiverr actually for some reason promotes stuff with shorter titles, literally like the exact opposite of YouTube, so you can't cram a ton of keywords in. Video editing, yes. Color correction, yeah. Alright, I've sorted out the pricing strategy. Hold up. Basic package, which is about a tenner. The reason I put it at $10 is because most are going for about 20 at least, over 20 actually. So I wanted to kind of undercut all of them with like this basic package. So this is for people who don't want much. Then we've got advanced video editing, it's £35. Expert video editing, which I highly doubt anyone will buy, but if they do, I'm gonna go crazy. I will edit your video with advanced color correction, motion stabilization, 4K footage, which is £90. So I've added the extra fast delivery. I've got basic, standard, premium, additional revision, and I've got stock photos, which is pretty good. Yeah, that's it. Right, I'm done with my thing. Save and continue. Briefly describe your gig. Well, I mean, I'll be back in like a fucking hour. So after I finished pricing my gig, doing all the tags and stuff like that, it was finally time to actually make a video for it, since I was watching a ton of these people where they were talking about like how they got loads of sales. Every single one of them was saying, you gotta make a video. It doesn't matter how ugly you are. Obviously not a problem for me. But yeah, it doesn't matter what you look like, just whip out your phone and make an honest video, because people are gonna trust you a lot more if you're just going face to face with a camera, you're not hiding anything. Yeah, and that leads me on to trying to make my video for my Fiverr gig. Brilliant. This is gonna take me about a year to do, guarantee you. So I have a picture of the script over there, so if you want to read along, this is the first draft, so this might not actually be it, but as wrote, hello, my name is Jared and I'm an experienced video editor from the UK. I'm here today to offer my services as a video editor, talk about how I've been editing for 2 years, and then I'll talk about my own YouTube channel, and I'll brag about, no, I won't brag. If you have any extra inquiries about anything else, feel free to contact me through Fiverr. I hope you consider buying this gig. Short, simple, hopefully straight to the point, and let's do it. I think we're ready, right? Okay. So upright, look like you know what you're doing. Put your hands on. No, that looks weird. That looks like I'm busting a nut. Should look confidently at the camera. Hello, my name is Jared and I'm experienced video. Right, hello everybody. No, it's not a video. Hello, my name is Jared and I'm Hello, my name is Jared and I am an experienced video editor from the UK. Let's go! Right, I'm here on Fiverr today to offer my services as a video editor. I'm here today on Fiverr to be offering my video. I'm here today on Fiverr to offer my video editing services. No, it's... So if you have any extra inquiries about my services as a video editor, then please let me know through the Fiverr app. No, not the Thank you for watching, and I hope you consider purchasing one of my gigs from Fiverr. That was bad. No, I just need to import the footage somehow. Yo, I've just decided something. I kind of looked back on the script, realized it was absolute shit. I'm gonna, basically I copied somebody's description, their description of their gig, and I realized that what they had in there would be great as a video, so that's what I'm doing now, if you're wondering. Hello, my name is Jared, and I'm an experienced video editor from the UK. Holy shit. So I came back here at I came back about 3:30 or something, and I've been sitting here for 4 hours straight sorting everything out. I've had to change SD cards like 20 times because it's run out. It's been a nightmare. Where are we at? So I'm still editing the video, I'm still importing all of that kind of stuff, but I haven't done anything I needed to do today. This Fiverr thing screwed my day up. Yeah, bear with me for another half an hour. I'm gonna try and get this stuff sorted out. So you have video footage, but you don't know how to edit it. You want to attract your audience with an outstanding looking video, but the editing process is preventing you from pursuing that amazing idea. Well, you've come to the right place. Hello, my name is Jack. So it's been about half a day, like 12 hours or whatever, and I haven't got a single view yet. Not one person has clicked on my gig. If this keeps on going on and I'm not getting any views, then I'm probably gonna go through the route of going to Instagram accounts and seeing if they're offering any shout outs or whatever for people who want to edit their videos, but not a single view. I just came back from school. I've done all the kind of stuff I was talking about yesterday, and I went back, looked at the views, and let me just show you this real quick. Oh, fuck. It's alright, I came on here expecting absolutely nothing. I didn't expect a single view or anything. I click on it, and to my surprise, I actually have 6 views, which is alright. Obviously, I got no orders or anything. It's just 6 clicks, but 6 clicks is alright. I'm gonna try and self-promote myself. I mean, I've come to last resort, alright, so I might have to do this. So I'm gonna be making a Twitter profile, and I've never seen that in my life, but I'll make an account for that. I'm just gonna follow a ton of people. I'm gonna tweet about my Fiverr gig, and we'll see how many more views it gets, and I'll see if anything happens out of here. So this is the influence account I had, and it's a cat. I just posted pictures of cats and that, but I might just promote my thing on it just because I don't use this anymore. There's no really much use for it, and I could just say, if any of you want to edit some cat videos and this is the guy to go to, let's just do it, whatever. Why not? Just screenshotted it. Alright, so I don't know if I should post this though. I feel like it'd be definitely better if I could get a cat video on there. Wait. I'm now going to have to make an Instagram account for this Fiverr gig so I can link it easily, so I can link the account and I won't have to directly link the Fiverr account. So we've got a new Instagram account. First thing we want to do is actually follow the account so we can get in contact, and then you can get tagged and stuff like that, so follow. So it's 9 o'clock, it's the same day. I spent a good 2 hours doing all the stuff to try and get more views on my Fiverr video, of course, and 6. So this little segment is going to cover quite a large period of time, so it's about 3-4 days, but I was just chilling. I wasn't investing all my time into Fiverr. I was generally I think I did a podcast with some of my mates. I did all that kind of stuff. That leads me on to about 5 days after I made my Fiverr gig, when I really wanted to pick this whole thing up again and start getting some sales. So it's roughly about day 5 and I still haven't got any sales. Let me just As you can see, I've only got like 67 views right now. Honestly, if I'm being honest, I thought this would be one of the things. I'd put it up the next day, I'd have like 2 or whatever orders, but it's really not. The social media promoting, it didn't really work. I didn't really get any conversions from that. I'm just gonna keep on trying to promote it, and if it doesn't work, then we might have to change something up. I don't know what, but we might have to change this whole thing up. So 1 or 2 days go by at this point in time, and still absolutely nothing. Views haven't gone up particularly, about like 10. But I sat down that day, I went on a piece of paper, wrote down a ton of stuff about how I felt with Fiverr, the best things I think is to do. I was like, all right, if this doesn't work, no worries, maybe Fiverr isn't for me, but I'm gonna try for the next day. I'm gonna try my arse off to try and get a sale. And if that doesn't work, maybe this Fiverr thing isn't for me. So, right, I said yesterday that if nothing works, we might have to change this whole thing up. Or we're gonna have to call it a day with Fiverr. So, from the moment I wake up, I'm just gonna try and promote my Fiverr thing as much as possible. The scummiest techniques, gonna go all out. Just gonna try and get one person, just one, to buy my order. Alright, I know I said I'd start tomorrow, but I couldn't resist. Just finished writing this forum post. As you said, you know, I'm gonna create this topic. I'm probably gonna post it to a couple other social medias around the same kind of gigs. I might post it on Craigslist. I really need to go to bed, but fuck it. Sales more important. Let's do it.
Put the place up, yeah, we know what we made of. Can't get enough of you, boo, I'm a chaser.
Alright, so what's going on, everybody? It's currently the morning and the afternoon, sorry, what the fuck am I going? The whole of this day, I'm gonna be having no life. I've just logged on to Twitter and I'm just liking a ton of hashtag my first tweets. I'm probably gonna do this for another 5 minutes. I'm gonna go on Reddit, go on the forums, just post a ton of stuff to there, see if we can get any conversions. Hopefully we can get something out of it. So it's about 8 o'clock. I spent at least 3 hours just doing all my stuff, liking Twitter posts. So today alone, roughly about 1.4 thousand tweets have liked. You know, that takes a while. I haven't got a single sale. Unless I get a sale overnight, I think we're gonna have to call it a day. So, the day didn't work. Okay, so what did I do? Did I delete my Fiverr account? Fuck no, I'm not gonna delete it. I just didn't look at it for at least a month. I just forgotten about it. I was just like, oh, this video is, you know, so I backed all the files up on my computer and was like, yeah, whatever. So it was just sitting there for a while, my Fiverr account. I'd look at it now and again, I guess. I went on holiday at that time. I went to Greece. Great. It was a pretty good holiday. I'll have a video coming out on it soon. Honestly, I wasn't checking it. I think I deleted the app off my phone. So done with it. After a ton of thinking in that, I was like, okay, let's just edit it. Let's see if it's all right. Let me see if I can voice over and try and make something out of it. I did that, I edited it, and while I was editing, I was subconsciously promote it a bit. I'd go on Twitter, I'd start liking a ton of stuff just in case like a 1 in 100th chance that somebody would click on it and buy my gig, just in case, and I could carry on this story. Maybe it might make a decent video. Okay, so I'm at school. I'm just in break time, having an average break. You know, the chicken wrap was decent. I was sitting there eating my lunch and I got an alert from Fiverr, and it was a message that replied to a message, because I was sending buyer requests out. So if you don't know what a buyer request is, it's where a buyer requests a service and you can reply to it. You're up against at least 50 other people wanting to do the job for them. And turns out this guy replied to my message. I just checked my phone right now, I'm in school. But yeah, turns out this dude purchased it because I could do it in 3 hours and I only did it for $10. I'm recording something. Alright, so I didn't get a chance to say this while I was at school because, you know, everybody like, yeah, dude, I fucked up so bad. But yeah, let me explain to you what happened with the Fiverr thing. So I got the message about 11 o'clock, right? So I was in bed by 11 o'clock. I didn't wake up and go on my phone. I didn't even go on an electrical device. And it was lunch the first time I looked at my phone, and I saw the guy had messaged me, and he'd obviously bailed on his other guy and was like, cool, you can do this in 2 hours for $10. I'm up for it. And by the time I'd looked at it, it was 15 hours ago. And the message was really it's really horrible to read as well, because he was saying stuff like, oh, I need it done in like 3 hours ASAP, and he went all like, he like wrote a good 5 paragraphs about what he wanted me to do, like really in detail. But I think I fucked it up, because I responded to him at break time going, I'm so sorry for my mess up, can we try and sort something out? I just need a couple more hours to do it so I can get back from school, actually edit it. He hasn't responded yet. He's probably really pissed off at me. And when people click on my profile, my average response time, because I've only had 1 response, is 15 hours. 15. So for the past about 2 days, I've been editing this video and I've just gotten my first sale, alright? It's a basic package. He said, hey Jared, I like your intro clip, so let's give it a try. Give me your Google Clips, just to prove to you I'm not bullshitting all of you. You've received an order from this guy. So yeah, I'm just gonna crack on. I'm gonna get this done right now. And yeah, I'm excited to see where this whole thing goes, honestly. So I'm pretty sure it's 10 at night. I've just spent an hour doing the project. Basically, I told him it's going to be done in the morning. So I've basically done everything I need to do. I'm just going to kind of rewatch it, maybe adjust a couple of things in the morning, send it to him in the morning. He's going to obviously look at it throughout the school day. And if he has anything to improve, I'll do it after school. And if he thinks it's cool and it's fine, then that's great. Job done. It was quite, I didn't expect it to be that hard, but it turned out, you know, it turned out a little harder than I thought it would, but that's all cool. Fingers crossed he likes it. That's all I'm hoping. I'm gonna sleep on it. That's what I like to do with all my edits. I always like to sleep on them, because in the morning you'll look at yourself and go, okay, that was stupid, or oh, I could have done that, and it's a different mindset in the morning. I still am actually running this gig, so cheeky plug. Fucking buy it. If this video serves an overall purpose, because for me at least, I want my videos to serve an overall purpose. I want them to help some people. But let's say you've got a talent, or maybe you're just an idiot, in which case you can just stick a phone in front of your face and people will pay you for stupid shit you can do. Let's say you can do a backflip. You can literally offer a gig, I will do a backflip, and then hold up a sign afterwards saying whatever they want, something like that. But honestly, I've really enjoyed Fiverr. I think it's a great website, and I'm still going to be doing Fiverr now and again. I never want to fully commit to this thing. It should be like a once in a month thing. I'll edit a video for someone, if even that. But you don't care, do you? You just care how much money I made. I made 8 quid. It's fucking nothing. But yeah, honestly, thank you so much for watching this video. I really do appreciate all of you sticking around for at least a month after uploading my last video. That is really cool. I really appreciate all of you, and I'll see you in my next video. See you later.